Hi guys! So, today I'm going to be doing a Fizz bag unboxing. Check my channel, you also see a Series 4 unboxing and some other stuff, trash bag stuff. So I got my bowl of water right here, and then I got my Fizz bag, which on the front has Grubby and Boggy Bagel. Down here I think it's Yucko Taco. Right here is Yuck Duck, and then under here I think it's Sludger. So I'm gonna open it. Open easy. Okay. Let's get out the booklet. It's a little different. It's cool. It has like the instructions on the bottom. Okay, so let's take this out. I really wanted Grubby, so I'm glad I got him. There is Grubby and Yuck Duck, and there's the can. Here is Yucko Taco taped to the bottom here. Get him out of the bag. Yucko Taco, that's good. Yucko Taco. Oh yeah, this Sludger. I've never seen Sludger in that color. Looks like the same color as Boggy Bagel. So here's Boggy Bagel. And here is Sludger. I think that's his name. Sludger. Yeah, Sludger. So that's that. Okay. Move all this. Here's the Fizz bag. There's like a lot of layers, protective layers. So take a minute to get this open. These Fizz bags are really hard to open. I've never gotten one, but I've seen them unboxing videos, and they take forever to open because they're like very well packaged. I understand that. Okay. Okay, so there's that part. Smaller. Yeah, probably big. Okay. So, try not to tear the little paper part. Yeah. Okay, so we got our Fizz bag. Here's the Fizz bag. Right, I'm gonna move my other trashies over. I can zoom in here on the water. Okay, and here we go. There it goes. Yeah, there's the Fizz. Screw it a little bit. Okay. Let's get these out. Ooh! I got an Astro Trash. I got, forget his name. Got Astro Trash. Looks like Zapper. And Squirmer, maybe? I don't know, I'll have to look up those guys' names. I'll have to look up their names. Forget. Usually I would know them right away. Look at these guys' names. Okay. Now they're dried off. I'll look up their names. it's Trash Blaster. It's my third Astro Trash. This is gonna be Hard Rubbish. Zapper. And this guy, I think his name is Squirmer. Here, let me see. Pretty sure. Yeah, Squirmer. Alright, so that was a good pack. For Squirmer. Okay, so that was my pack. I got some good trashies here. What's remaining of the Fizz bag. Where's my other trashies going over here? Here they are. So I got some good ones. So my ones in the front were Grubby and Yuck Duck. Yuck Duck in teal and Grubby in purple. Sludger and Boggy Bagel. They're both in like a lime green color. And then Green Yucko Taco in the bottom. Can't hold it. Green Yucko Taco in the bottom. And then I got, in the Fizz bag, I got Squirmer, Zapper, and, oh, I forgot his name again. Gee, I can't remember their names. Normally I would just like, no, Trash Blaster. Jeez, I was really hoping for a red one because I only have blue ones. But yeah, Trash Blaster. So yeah, I got a really good haul today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go make my next video, so I'll see you next time. Bye!